Sabi ko na good governance kasi ito yung battle cry ng NTFL. Good governance include inclusivity, transparency, accountability, participation, leadership. So nakita namin lahat yon. Kung mahinang klase ang leader, I believe walang patungan yung programa na yan. Pero nakita natin, that is a concrete example of a good governance.
Sa structural integrity, wala po kaming masabi since considering considering po yung geographical or yung topography natin sa area na pataas, paliko, pataas, baba ay na-implement at wala po kaming nakita halos na actually wala talagang cracks.
The road to development is the road itself. Nakita namin yan sa panig ng pangkalusugan. Nakita namin kung gaano kaimportante na meron tayong mga kalsada papunta sa ating mga dibdib na